Hello there! So, those are my versions of the Starport units. The Starport is a terrain structure that allows you to build flying machines, such as the dropship. The dropship is a lot bigger in scale, but in the game is scaled like this, sort of. And the design is pretty simple. I mean, those are some hinged plates, and those are the engines. The head, I used the trend setter minifigure series head because she has the goggles, and in the game she has the goggles and the red hat. The flying suit is from the Lego City Jungle sub-theme. The monitor is not the typical targeting monitor, is more like a window. Windows. The sides are with transparent, dark, or smoke clear pieces. So when you combine this piece, you have vision on the top and on the sides of the thing. Yeah, that's better. Okay. The dropship, as the name says, is a ship that takes the troops and then flies back and flies them into the place where is needed. Mostly ground troops that can't go up to a cliff, so ground troops gets picked off and gets transported onto a cliff. Another unit you can build in the starport is the Valkirie. The Valkyrie has this particular oval cockpit, and I got this shape by using a stud on the side construction, like this. The cockpit is this typical mold which has been in use for a while. The screen is like a radar dish or something. And the pilot is a female too, and I used the flamenco dancer of the minifigure series because it has this kind of black dot on like a makeup thing. The torso is the jacket, the suit of the Lens minifigure of the Lens battle suit, the battle mech, and for the headgear, this bubble headset is very much like the one in the game, with this trans green piece. Let me put back on. So there's the bottom of the thing. The Valkyrie has the special ability that throws on air units only, because she can attack with these aircraft only air units. Throws against air units 8 volleys of missiles that deals 6 damage per area. So the damage total is 64. Yeah, 64. No, 48. 48. 6 per 8 is 48. Yeah, sorry. 48 damage per area, and the missile shot is like a glowing azure. It is very cool. It is very cool. And yeah, to build a Valkyrie, you need an armory. Another unit you can build in the starport is the science vessel. The science vessel has not a direct attack, but can use an ability which you can research, that's called Irradiate, that as the name suggests irradiates in a biological unit. It cannot can get cast on a mechanical unit, but a mechanical unit doesn't get damage. Yeah, a mechanical unit can get irradiated. For example, 2 science vessels can irradiate each other and then fly over the mineral line if you are going against Terran and Zerg, because if you are going against Protoss, there are mechanical units, the probes, and 2 irradiated science vessels can hover on biological units, and the biological units get the damage because it's a area damage spell or ability, whatever you call. So the irradiate can kill directly and indirectly biological units. It is also a detector, and in the late game, in the Terran late game, you see a lot of science vessel hovering around, detecting lurkers, for example, or detecting troops under the area of cloaking of an arbiter, and another example. And you need to build a science facility to be able to construct one of these. A unit that doesn't require any other building to be built is the Wraith. Yes, the Wraith has the ability of being cloaked for a certain amount of time, most like a ghost. Yeah, Wraith, ghost are like ghoulish folk names to to that are linked to paranormal entities or something again ghostly, and the it's like the Goliath is a flying Goliath because the anti-air damage is very powerful and the anti-ground damage yeah, it sucks. So the minifigure I used the Robin head of Nexonite from Nexonites because it has this nice band, holographic band on the face. The head I used a dark brown, the old dark brown earpiece from Alpha Team, which is a nod back to the 2000 and to the late 90s. The screen is this typical screen that I used even in the Siege Tank, for example. The build of the tail, the bottom tail is like one side has a thing like that, and the other side is mirrored. It's like it's not stud on stud construction. Is this part is this thing, and it goes, and this part is this thing, and is connected with the bottom of the wing. Now you can see more clear. The last air unit you can build with the Starport is the Battlecruiser. The Battlecruiser is the capital ship of the Terran army. It's a huge thing. In the game is scaled, yes, huge, but in reality it's more huge. So the Battlecruiser, you need to have a starport, a science facility, and the science facility must have attached a science laboratory, a physics laboratory. So the back is like this. And it goes in the inside. I used these L-shaped pieces. You can see more. See, yeah. These L-shaped pieces, which are black. In black, these the pieces that are like this, that are like a technique on the sides. So it's a nice cross in the middle of the body. The wings or outlets, side outlets, are pretty skeletal, but these gray pieces make up for like a plating, some kind of thing. Those are mini thrusters. The neck is a bit skeletal on the bottom, but on the top is yeah, like the game. The head, I used most of the Star Scavenger from Star Wars, the Freemaker set, the Star Scavenger set from 2016. And one of the coolest thing of this model is that you can detach with all of those joints the wing and the wings and the neck. So it's very modular, it's very easy to put back in and to put back on a box. And there's that. So those are the Starport units. Hope you enjoyed. More videos coming soon. Bye!